In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your NFL football team schedule to Google Calendar for 2025. This is a simple task that will help you stay up to date with all of your favorite team's games, ensuring you never miss a kickoff. Whether you're a die-hard fan who catches every game or someone who likes to keep an eye on the schedule for weekend plans, integrating the NFL schedule with your digital calendar is a game changer. Let's begin by opening Google Calendar on your desktop via your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, just navigate to Google Calendar and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're on the main calendar page, you'll notice a panel on the left side. This is where you can manage your existing calendars and add new ones. Look for the Add Other Calendars option, which should be situated towards the bottom of this left panel. Click on the small plus sign next to it. Once you do this, you'll see a drop-down menu with a few options. Select Browse Calendars of Interest. This option will allow you to choose from a variety of calendars that you can integrate into your own. The next step is to scroll down until you find the Sports section. It might take a little scrolling depending on how many other options there are, but you should be able to locate it fairly easily. This section is perfect for sports enthusiasts since it houses calendars for various sports, making it handy to add game schedules to your calendar setup. Now, within the sports section, look for football and then choose National Football League. This will guide you to a comprehensive list featuring all the NFL teams. At this point, all you need to do is find your favorite NFL team from this list. It will be organized in alphabetical order, which helps in quickly pinpointing your team. After selecting your team, the magic happens. The schedule for the complete 2025 NFL season for your team will automatically be added to your personal Google Calendar. You should see the games appear on your calendar right away, helping you plan out those game days efficiently. That's all there is to it. This simple addition means you can now access your team's schedule directly on your phone or desktop calendar alongside your other important events and reminders. It's a neat and convenient way to make sure you're never missing out on the action. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this helps enhance your football season experience.